our own golden pond. Yeah, we're both old and happy, fishing on our own golden pond.